Albert Einstein. The name itself evokes images of sheer brilliance, groundbreaking theories, and a mind that dared to unravel the secrets of the universe. Born in an era of scientific revolution, Einstein's contributions to physics and our understanding of the cosmos remain unparalleled. His name has become synonymous with genius, his image an iconic representation of scientific exploration. Einstein's impact extends far beyond the realm of theoretical physics. He became a global icon, a symbol of peace, and a voice of reason in a world often consumed by conflict. His theories, once considered radical and challenging, reshaped our understanding of space, time, gravity, and the very fabric of reality. His legacy continues to inspire generations of scientists, thinkers, and dreamers, urging them to push the boundaries of knowledge and challenge conventional wisdom. Einstein's life and work serve as a testament to the power of human curiosity, the relentless pursuit of truth, and the extraordinary potential that lies within the human mind. His story, a captivating blend of intellectual prowess, personal struggles, and unwavering determination, continues to resonate with people from all walks of life. It's a story that transcends the boundaries of science, offering profound insights into the nature of genius, the complexities of human existence, and the enduring quest to comprehend the universe we inhabit. Albert Einstein's mind was an enigma, a labyrinth of complex thoughts and revolutionary ideas. His thinking process was as unconventional as his theories, marked by a profound sense of wonder and an unyielding desire to challenge established norms. He possessed an uncanny ability to visualize complex scientific concepts, often through thought experiments that defied the limitations of traditional laboratory settings. Einstein's approach to science was characterized by a deep intuition and a relentless pursuit of elegant solutions. He sought simplicity within complexity, believing that the universe, at its core, was governed by harmonious laws waiting to be deciphered. His theories were not mere mathematical constructs. They were born from a deep-seated desire to comprehend the fundamental nature of reality. His groundbreaking work on the theory of relativity, a testament to his intellectual prowess, revolutionized our understanding of gravity, space, and time. It challenged centuries-old Newtonian physics, offering a new framework to comprehend the cosmos and our place within it. Einstein's genius lay not only in his ability to formulate these groundbreaking theories, but also in his courage to challenge the scientific status quo and present his radical ideas to the world. His unwavering belief in his own intuition, even when it contradicted prevailing scientific thought, was a testament to his intellectual independence and his unwavering commitment to pursuing truth wherever it might lead. His story serves as a timeless reminder that true genius lies in the courage to think differently, to question assumptions, and to explore the uncharted territories of the human mind. Albert Einstein possessed a unique perspective on the universe, one that transcended the limitations of conventional thought. He saw beyond the realm of everyday experience, peering into the very fabric of reality and unraveling the mysteries of space, time, and gravity. His theories, once considered radical and even heretical, painted a picture of a dynamic and interconnected universe far more complex and awe-inspiring than previously imagined. Einstein's theory of relativity, a cornerstone of modern physics, challenged the long-held Newtonian view of a static and absolute universe. He proposed that space and time were not separate entities, but rather interwoven threads in the cosmic tapestry, warped and curved by the presence of matter and energy. This groundbreaking concept, defying common intuition, suggested that gravity was not a force acting at a distance, but rather a consequence of the curvature of space-time itself. Einstein's vision of the universe extended beyond the realm of theoretical physics. He saw a profound interconnectedness between all things, a cosmic dance where energy and matter were constantly transforming, bound by the elegant laws of nature. His work inspired a new era of cosmological exploration, leading to groundbreaking discoveries about the expansion of the universe, the existence of black holes, and the very origins of our cosmos. Einstein's legacy lies not only in his scientific contributions, but also in his ability to ignite the imagination of generations to come. He invited us to contemplate the vastness of the universe, to question our place within it, and to marvel at the intricate workings of the cosmos. The life of Albert Einstein was a journey through time and space, both literally and metaphorically. Born in an era on the cusp of technological advancement, he witnessed firsthand the transformative power of scientific progress. His own theories would go on to redefine our understanding of time and space, propelling humanity into a new era of cosmic exploration. But his journey was not without its share of turbulence, marked by personal struggles, societal upheavals, and the ethical dilemmas that accompanied the dawn of the atomic age. Einstein's life story reads like a captivating novel, filled with moments of intellectual triumph, personal hardship, and unwavering determination. From his humble beginnings in Ulm, Germany, to his rise as a global icon, his path was paved with relentless curiosity and an unyielding passion for knowledge. We will delve into the extraordinary life of Albert Einstein, exploring his formative years, his groundbreaking scientific discoveries, his personal struggles, and his enduring legacy. Join us as we embark on a journey through time and space, tracing the footsteps of a man whose ideas reshaped our understanding of the universe and left an indelible mark on the fabric of human history. Our exploration will take us from the quiet contemplation of his early years to the bustling lecture halls of academia and the world stage, where his theories sparked both awe and controversy. Through it all, we will witness the evolution of a genius, a man who dared to question the known universe and, in doing so, revealed its profound beauty and complexity. Albert Einstein entered the world on March 14, 1879, in Ulm, Germany. Born into a Jewish family, young Albert's early years gave little hint of the extraordinary path ahead. His parents instilled in him a love of learning and a strong moral compass. Albert was a late talker, causing concern for his family, but his words revealed a thoughtful and inquisitive mind. At 5, a compass from his father sparked his fascination with hidden forces. This fascination blossomed into a lifelong pursuit of scientific understanding. As Albert Einstein progressed through his early education, his unconventional thinking and resistance to rote learning became increasingly apparent. He found the rigid, authoritarian teaching style of the traditional German schools stifling and uninspiring. He often clashed with his teachers, questioning their methods and challenging the conventional wisdom presented in textbooks. Despite his intellectual gifts, Einstein was not a model student in the traditional sense. He excelled in mathematics and physics, demonstrating an exceptional grasp of complex concepts. However, he often neglected other subjects, finding them tedious and irrelevant to his burgeoning interests. This disdain for authority and disregard for subjects he deemed unimportant would later extend to his professional life, shaping his interactions with academic institutions and his approach to scientific inquiry. His rebellious streak extended beyond the classroom. He chafed against the strict social norms of his day, preferring the company of books and ideas to the rigid conventions of society. This nonconformist attitude, while sometimes causing friction with peers and authority figures, was an integral part of what made Einstein such a visionary thinker. He refused to be confined by the limitations of conventional thought, choosing instead to forge his own path and challenge the status quo. Amidst the rigidity of his formal education, Einstein found solace in the world of ideas. He devoured books on science, philosophy, and mathematics, immersing himself in the works of great thinkers who had dared to challenge the boundaries of human knowledge. These intellectual pursuits, often undertaken outside the confines of the classroom, provided him with the freedom to explore his own ideas and develop his unique perspective on the world. It was during this period, fueled by independent learning and a rejection of intellectual conformity, that the seeds of Einstein's revolutionary ideas were sown. Amidst the stifling conformity of his formal education, a young Albert Einstein found solace in mathematics and physics. These subjects resonated deeply with his inquisitive mind. He devoured books on geometry, calculus, and Newtonian physics. Einstein's natural aptitude for mathematics was evident from a young age. He grasped complex concepts with ease. His uncle, Jacob Einstein, nurtured his talent by introducing him to advanced mathematical concepts. These interactions fostered Einstein's love for the subject. Despite his burgeoning passion for mathematics and physics, Albert Einstein's path to higher education was far from smooth. His disdain for rote learning and his unconventional approach to education had alienated some of his teachers, making his academic journey more challenging. He graduated from high school in Switzerland, where his family had relocated, but his aversion to several subjects resulted in less than stellar grades in those areas. Undeterred, Einstein set his sights on the prestigious Swiss Federal Polytechnic in Zurich, determined to pursue his passion for physics. However, his first attempt to gain admission was met with failure. While his exceptional scores in mathematics and physics were undeniable, his lackluster performance in other subjects, particularly languages, proved a significant hurdle. This setback, though disappointing, did not deter the determined young Einstein. Heeding the advice of the Polytechnic's principal, he enrolled in a one-year program at a Swiss cantonal school in Aarau to improve his grades in the subjects that had hindered his initial application. This period of his life, though ostensibly a detour, proved to be a blessing in disguise. The more liberal and intellectually stimulating environment of the Aarau school fostered Einstein's creativity and allowed his genius to flourish. He thrived in an atmosphere where independent thinking and intellectual curiosity were encouraged, excelling in his studies and forming friendships that would last a lifetime. With renewed confidence and a strengthened academic foundation, Einstein reapplied to the Swiss Federal Polytechnic the following year and was successfully admitted to the program that would shape his destiny. The hallowed halls of the Swiss Federal Polytechnic in Zurich became Albert Einstein's intellectual playground, a crucible where his genius was forged and refined. He thrived in the intellectually vibrant atmosphere, surrounded by brilliant minds and exposed to cutting-edge scientific ideas. The Polytechnic emphasized experimental learning and independent thinking, proving to be the ideal environment for Einstein's unconventional mind. He immersed himself in his studies, devouring advanced texts on mathematics, electromagnetism, and theoretical physics. He attended lectures by renowned professors, engaging in lively debates that challenged his assumptions. Though often seen as a solitary genius, Albert Einstein's time at the Swiss Federal Polytechnic was enriched by deep friendships and intellectual collaborations. One of Einstein's most significant friendships was with Marcel Grossmann, a brilliant mathematician whose meticulous notes later proved invaluable to Einstein's theory of general relativity. Another close friend was Michel Bessot, an engineer who became Einstein's confidant and intellectual sparring partner. These friendships provided Einstein with intellectual stimulation, emotional support, and a sense of belonging. Einstein often credited his collaborators and friends with playing a crucial role in his scientific journey. These bonds were a testament to Einstein's ability to connect with others on a deep level. While navigating the Polytechnic, the seeds of a scientific revolution were germinating in Einstein's mind. He grappled with inconsistencies between Newtonian mechanics and electromagnetism, hinting at a deeper understanding of the universe. A pivotal thought experiment involved chasing a beam of light, revealing a fundamental flaw in the prevailing understanding of space and time. Einstein's intuition told him that the speed of light was constant, leading him to conclude that space and time were relative, not absolute. These revolutionary ideas marked a turning point in Einstein's intellectual journey. He began to chip away at the foundations of classical physics, sensing a paradigm shift on the horizon. The year 1900 marked Einstein's graduation from the Swiss Federal Polytechnic. Despite his exceptional abilities, finding employment proved challenging due to his abrasive personality and disdain for authority. Rejected for teaching positions, Einstein took on temporary teaching and tutoring jobs, which did little to stimulate his mind. Despite setbacks, Einstein continued his research during his free time, determined to find a permanent position. Little did he know that fate had other plans, soon catapulting him to the forefront of the scientific world. His intellectual fire continued to burn brightly, undeterred by the mundane realities of his temporary jobs. In 1902, unable to secure a teaching position, Einstein worked as a technical expert at the Swiss Patent Office. Amidst the routine of evaluating inventions, Einstein's mind grappled with fundamental questions about light, gravity, and space-time. The Patent Office provided an unexpected incubator for his revolutionary ideas. During a quiet moment, inspiration struck Einstein, leading to a eureka moment that would alter scientific history. He realized that the speed of light had profound implications for our understanding of space and time. Space and time, he reasoned, must be relative, flexible entities to accommodate the constancy of the speed of light. The year 1905 was a watershed moment for Einstein, who published 4 groundbreaking papers. These papers laid the foundation for Einstein's special theory of relativity. The first paper introduced the relativity of space and time, challenging Newtonian physics. Einstein's theory replaced absolute space and time with a unified concept of space-time. He demonstrated that time and lengths could stretch or compress depending on the observer's motion. The implications of Einstein's theory were astounding, predicting phenomena like time dilation and length contraction. Among Einstein's 1905 papers, one introduced the iconic equation E=mc². This equation revealed the profound connection between energy, mass, and the speed of light. Einstein showed that mass could be converted into energy and vice versa, unlocking the secrets of the atom. The equation had profound implications for nuclear energy and our understanding of the universe. It explained the immense energy released by stars through nuclear fusion. Einstein's work illuminated the processes that powered the cosmos. Einstein's 1905 papers did not immediately catapult him to stardom. Initially met with skepticism, his ideas gained traction thanks to physicists like Max Planck. Planck's support provided Einstein with credibility and helped amplify his ideas. Einstein's reputation grew, leading to teaching positions at universities in Zurich, Prague, and ETH Zurich. His lectures drew crowds eager to hear from the man reshaping our understanding of the universe. The once obscure patent clerk became one of the most sought-after minds of his generation. As Einstein's star ascended, his personal life became tumultuous. The demands of his work and newfound fame strained his marriage to Mileva Maric. Mileva, burdened with raising their sons, felt isolated and resentful of Einstein's devotion to his research. Einstein's relentless pursuit of a unified field theory created distance between them. The unraveling of his marriage weighed heavily on Einstein, adding to his emotional turmoil. Despite his scientific achievements, Einstein grappled with the complexities of life and love. Amidst the wreckage of his first marriage, Einstein found solace with his cousin, Elsa Löwenthal. Elsa provided emotional support and a sense of normalcy. In 1919, Einstein married Elsa, who created a stable home environment for him. Tragedy struck in 1936 when Elsa passed away, leaving Einstein devastated. Despite personal tragedies, Einstein never lost his capacity for love and wonder. He found joy in simple pleasures and maintained close relationships with his sons and friends. A moral compass in a world divided. As Albert Einstein's fame grew, so too did his awareness of the social and political turmoil that engulfed the world. The rise of nationalism, anti-Semitism, and the specter of another world war deeply troubled him. Einstein, a pacifist at heart, believed that science should be a force for good in the world, a tool for solving humanity's most pressing problems, not creating new ones. He used his platform to speak out against injustice and oppression, advocating for peace, disarmament, and international cooperation. He became an outspoken critic of the Nazi regime in Germany, recognizing the grave threat it posed to humanity. His vocal opposition to Nazism made him a target of their propaganda machine, and he was forced to flee Germany in 1933, eventually settling in the United States. Einstein's experiences with persecution and prejudice only strengthened his resolve to fight for social justice. He became an advocate for civil rights in the United States, speaking out against racial segregation and discrimination. He corresponded with prominent figures in the civil rights movement, offering his support and encouragement. Einstein's moral compass, guided by his belief in the inherent dignity and worth of all people, led him to champion causes that transcended the boundaries of science. He recognized that his fame gave him a unique opportunity to influence public opinion and affect change, and he did not shy away from using his voice to speak truth to power. His activism, though sometimes controversial, demonstrated his deep commitment to creating a more just and peaceful world. The outbreak of World War II in 1939 filled Albert Einstein with a profound sense of dread and responsibility. He recognized the horrific potential of the atomic bomb, a weapon of unimaginable destructive power that could arise from his own famous equation, E equals mc squared. Though a lifelong pacifist, Einstein felt compelled to act, fearing that Nazi Germany might develop the bomb first. In 1939, he wrote a letter to President Franklin D. Roosevelt, urging him to initiate a program to develop an atomic bomb. This letter, though motivated by the desire to defeat fascism, would later haunt Einstein, who was deeply troubled by the devastating consequences of atomic warfare. He had unleashed a force that he could not control, a force that would forever alter the course of human history. After the war, Einstein became a tireless advocate for nuclear disarmament, recognizing the existential threat that nuclear weapons pose to humanity. He joined forces with other prominent scientists and intellectuals, including Bertrand Russell and J. Robert Oppenheimer, to form the Emergency Committee of Atomic Scientists, an organization dedicated to raising awareness about the dangers of nuclear proliferation. Einstein's later years were marked by a profound sense of responsibility for the unintended consequences of his scientific discoveries. He used his platform to advocate for peace, understanding, and the ethical use of science. He believed that science, in the wrong hands, could lead to humanity's destruction, but in the right hands, it held the key to solving our most pressing challenges and creating a brighter future for all. In the tapestry of Albert Einstein's scientific life, few threads shine as brightly as his enduring intellectual rivalry and friendship with Niels Bohr. This dynamic duo, titans of 20th century physics, engaged in a decades-long dialogue, a clash of perspectives that illuminated the most profound mysteries of the quantum world. Their first encounter, in 1920, marked the beginning of a relationship that would shape the course of scientific history. Bohr, a Danish physicist, had gained international acclaim for his revolutionary model of the atom, a model that incorporated the principles of quantum mechanics. Einstein, though already a celebrated figure for his theory of relativity, recognized in Bohr a kindred spirit. Their early conversations, often held during long walks in the picturesque countryside surrounding Copenhagen, were characterized by a spirit of mutual respect and a shared passion for unraveling the mysteries of the universe. The intellectual sparring between Albert Einstein and Niels Bohr reached its zenith at the prestigious Solvay Conferences, a series of invitation-only gatherings that brought together the world's most brilliant physicists. The 1927 Solvay Conference witnessed the most dramatic clash between Einstein and Bohr. Einstein, unconvinced by Bohr's interpretation of quantum mechanics, devised thought experiments. Bohr countered each of Einstein's objections with calm and meticulous logic. The debates captivated the assembled physicists. They watched in awe as these two giants of physics engaged in a battle of wits. The debates, though often heated, were always conducted with mutual respect. The Solvay Conferences became a crucible for the development of quantum mechanics. Section 3, Einstein and the Next Generation. Despite his reservations about quantum mechanics, Albert Einstein remained a towering figure in physics. His insights were sought by a new generation of physicists. Einstein welcomed these young minds, engaging them in discussions. Robert Oppenheimer benefited from Einstein's mentorship. Oppenheimer led the Manhattan Project, developing the atomic bomb. Captivated by Einstein's intellect, Oppenheimer sought his guidance. Einstein offered him encouragement and cautionary advice. Leo Szilard also sought Einstein's help regarding nuclear fission. Einstein agreed to warn President Roosevelt about the atomic bomb. Einstein's influence as a mentor and conscience was profound. Section 4. A legacy forged in collaboration. Though often portrayed as a solitary genius, Albert Einstein's legacy was forged through collaborations and dialogues with the greatest minds of his era. From his early work with Marcel Grossmann to his debates with Niels Bohr on quantum mechanics, Einstein thrived in the company of other brilliant minds. He recognized science as a collective endeavor. Embracing debates to refine his thinking, he engaged with opposing views, showing intellectual humility. His collaborations extended beyond physics, enriching his ideas. Einstein's legacy lies in his scientific discoveries and his example of collaborative pursuit of knowledge. He showed that great achievements come from collaboration and dialogue. His life stands as a testament to the power of human collaboration. As Albert Einstein entered his twilight years, his scientific inquiries did not waver. He continued to grapple with fundamental questions about the universe. His quest for a unified field theory consumed him until his final days. Einstein's later years were marked by a sense of urgency. He worked tirelessly, filling notebooks with equations. He often remarked he felt like a child playing on the shores of knowledge. In 1955, Einstein suffered an abdominal aortic aneurysm. He was rushed to Princeton Hospital. Einstein refused surgery, stating, "I want to go when I want. It is tasteless to prolong life artificially. I have done my share. It is time to go. I will do it elegantly." On April 18, 1955, at 76, Albert Einstein passed away peacefully. His death was mourned by the world, a testament to his profound impact. The legacy of Albert Einstein extends far beyond theoretical physics. He became a global icon, a symbol of genius and peace. His name is synonymous with intelligence and curiosity. His ideas profoundly impacted our understanding of the universe. Einstein's theories are now cornerstones of modern physics. His equation, E equals mc squared, unlocked the secrets of the atom. His insights continue to inspire new generations of physicists. Beyond science, Einstein's legacy includes humanism and social justice. He advocated for peace, disarmament, and international cooperation. His moral compass inspired generations to create a just world. Einstein's life reminds us that true genius lies in challenging the status quo. His story resonates with people, showcasing the power of human curiosity. Albert Einstein, the child who once marveled at a compass needle, never lost his sense of wonder at the universe. He saw the cosmos as a grand tapestry, governed by elegant laws. His theories deepened our appreciation for its complexity. He taught us the universe is dynamic, a cosmic dance of creation and destruction. Space and time are fluid, warped by matter and energy. Even empty space is filled with invisible forces. Einstein's legacy is a cosmic perspective, reminding us to embrace the unknown. His work inspires us to explore the cosmos, unlocking the universe's secrets. The universe will continue to amaze us for generations. In the annals of history, few figures loom as large as Albert Einstein. His iconic image, with his shock of unruly hair, piercing gaze, and mischievous grin, has become instantly recognizable around the globe. His name is synonymous with intelligence. His theories a testament to the boundless potential of the human mind. But Einstein was more than just a brilliant scientist. He was a complex and multifaceted individual. He was a pacifist who helped to usher in the atomic age, a renowned genius who struggled with personal relationships, a solitary thinker who thrived on collaboration and dialogue. It is this very complexity that makes Einstein such an enduring and relatable figure. His story transcends the boundaries of science, offering timeless lessons about curiosity and perseverance. He taught us that true genius lies in the willingness to think differently and to embrace the unknown. Albert Einstein's legacy is a gift to humanity, a beacon of hope and inspiration.